Alright, welcome to another video, and today we're going to add a mini content panel in our web page. So we're going to put it in our last part. Okay, so go to the HTML and then type in the div ID is equal to, let's name it as box since we are going to add a mini box, and then inside the mini box we have a paragraph. Okay, so this is a paragraph. Okay, let's make another one. Okay, now Control S. In our style sheet, we are going to type our comment first, comment line. This is a mini content panel. Okay, we are going to call the box, and then opening and closing curly brace. So we're going to add the properties. So here are the properties which I already prepared. Okay, so I have here the background color, which I can change into orchid. Okay, Control S, and then the border 2 pixel, which I can change into dashed black. Border radius 1 EM. So we have 95% in our font size. Padding is 10 pixel. Margin 10 pixel with 280 pixel. Color is white. So we're going to save this one, Control S, and then refresh. Okay, so here is our mini content panel or mini box. Now we're going to add an image above this paragraph. So make sure that we image that we're going to add, and in this case I will add this peso JPG file type. Okay, so to add this image, go to our index HTML and then go to our index HTML and then okay, so we're going to add these codes. Okay, so we have here paragraph, class name is PHP, ahref, we can leave it blank, and our image is rc peso.jpg. Okay, and then we're going to remove this div. Okay, and then save, Control S. For our style sheet, we're going to add peso display. For this image, we're going to display it black, and then text alignment will be center, Control S, and then let's see what will be the output. F5, refresh. Okay, so I think so I just want this to be look at this. So we are going to remove the okay, so we have to add closing H so that this paragraph will not be hyperlinked. So we only have hyperlink in our image. Wherever we wanted it to link, we can put the location here. Okay, Control S, and then let's try to check again. Header 4. Alright, so take a look on that. If we are going to position our mouse pointer here and here, so take a look on that. Okay, so we have no link here, and then on this image we have a link, right? Okay, so let's try to observe this one. What is missing here is that we're going to change our peso into PHP. Okay, so our class name is PHP. Okay, so we have to change this peso to PHP. Okay, Control S, and then refresh. Okay. Okay, so this is a paragraph div. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you. I hope you learned something.